from Bohol Province. Proud Sir Joseph from Bohol. Congratulations. From Bohol Province, John Mars D. Aparicio and Krister Webb O. Campos. John Mar is coming from Mater Dei College Incorporated, while Krister is from Holy Cross Academy of Tubigon, Bohol. Coach, Ma'am Lodani Antoinette C. Kidlat from Bohol Province. Congratulations. Proud Sir Joseph from Bohol. Another third place. From Bohol Province, Brianisa Penelope Sainon and Rich Marie Atenta, both from Immaculate Academy of Puerto Bohol. Coach, Ma'am Elsie Langani of Biliang National High School, Bohol Province. Congratulations.
Okay na.
Coach.